Hey everyone, welcome back to iOS Hacker. Today I'm going to show you how to zoom in and zoom out on your iPhone using the built-in accessibility zoom feature. This is super helpful if you are having trouble reading small text or just need to magnify something on your screen. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Now scroll down and tap on Accessibility. This is where Apple keeps all the features designed to make your iPhone easier to use. Next, tap on Zoom and then turn on the switch at the top. As soon as you enable it, your screen will zoom in. Here are the gestures you need to know when it comes to using the zoom feature. Double tap on the screen with 3 fingers to zoom in. Double tap again with 3 fingers to zoom back out. To move around the screen while the screen is zoomed in, drag with 3 fingers. And to adjust the zoom level, double tap and hold with 3 fingers. Then slide up to zoom in or down to zoom out. You can also customize how zoom works. When you're in the zoom settings, you will see options like zoom region. This allows you to choose between full screen zoom or window zoom, which gives you a magnifying glass style view. The follow focus option makes the zoom follow your typing or cursor movements automatically. And the maximum zoom level option lets you adjust how far you can zoom in. Play around with these settings until it feels just right for you. And that's it. That's how you can zoom in and zoom out on your iPhone with the accessibility zoom feature. It's a powerful feature that can make your iPhone much easier to use if you need a little extra visibility. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more iPhone tips, and share it with your friends so they can also use this feature. Thanks for watching.